Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your Bluechew membership. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so to cancel your Bluechew membership, you can follow these steps that I've outlined. So method number one, you can log into your Bluechew account at bluechew.com, and then from here navigate to where it says my account or subscription, anything along those lines. Then find the option to cancel subscription and follow the instructions. Then from there, confirm the cancellation. You may receive a confirmation email. Method two is to simply contact their customer support. So you can go to their email, which is I've outlined here, asking them to cancel your membership. Just give them your details, so like your username, your name, your phone number, etc. And likewise, you can contact them in live chat, so you can visit their website and use the live chat feature to request cancellation. And some important notes here: so before you cancel, before your next billing date, to avoid being charged, you may still have access to the service until the end of your current billing cycle. If you have trouble cancelling, contact their support for assistance.